All right, this is Does It Really Happen by Yes from the Drama album. We're going to start out, we have this thing. Okay, and you got to listen for the bass to go doo-dee-dee-doo-dee bomb. That's when you come in with your chords. Okay, so it's a little bit weird. You got to get used to it, but it's going to be A chord, F, D, back to A, doo-dee-dee-doo-dee, 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 doo-dee-dee-doo-dee. Okay, so it's like that, and then you kind of come in with a kind of a double hit. Da-dum. And then this time, just the A and the F and the D, and then we're going to come into this riff. Okay, so that's kind of our part A, I'm calling it. So we got 5, 7, 6, 7 going down the strings and back. So we do that twice. And then down to the 3 on the big string, and then 3, 4, 5, 3 on the D, back down to 5, 4, 3. So it's, and some of those are staccato, as you can tell there. So we got 3, 4. So we did that again. We're going to come to the octave of this lower riff. So 5 on the D, and then on the G we're going 5, 6, 7, 6 on the B, back down to 7, 6, 5. So it's. Then we're going to come to this 7 on the D with 9 and 9 on the 2 below that. Okay, so let's do that whole riff again. We got. And we start our next thing. We got these chords, these sus chords. This is going to be 5 on the D, and then 5 on the G, and then 3 and 3 on the bottom 2. This is like 3rd fret. We're going to go. So that was like 10th fret to 8th fret. If you're looking at your first finger, see our first finger down here is the 3s. So we got down, up, down. And then we're going to go to the 5th fret. Okay, so that one went down, up, down. One of those on the 10th. So see on the 8, I went like dum, bum, and went back up. So the whole thing is. So that's how we did the 3rd to the 6th to the 1st. Then we go 3rd back to 10 and 8. 5th back to the higher thing. Back to 3 and 6 to 1. And then it's a C chord. And they kind of have an effect that makes it sort of go upwards, kind of like maybe it's a slide or something on that. So it could be like a keyboard thing too, I'm not sure. But so that whole thing again would be. And then we're into the verse. The verse is going to be G chord. So D to C right there. So we had down, up, down, D, C, kind of on upbeats. So we got. And then we go A chord. Down here we're going to hit 12, 12, 10 on the bottom 3. And then 10, 10, 8. We're going to hit that twice. So we got. So that one was 7, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 6, 5. So, and sometimes this has like a dun dun dun, and sometimes it's just like probably the first one's like a probably just once each. So. second half of that verse. Okay, then we have, so we have C, 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 F, B flat. You can kind of go 1, 2 to 3, back to G to D to C, and then we're gonna have, so that was 9, 10, 9, and then 9, 8, 8, up to 11, 10, 10. So this is like an A chord, a C, and a D chord. And then we're doing that same riff we did here, but on the 3rd fret. We've kind of modulated now, so we got. Okay, so everything is the same, it's just down 2 frets. Let's look at it again. We got 3, 4, 5, 4. Down to the 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, and then back to. And then the octave thing starts on the 3, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, and then 5, 7, 7. And then we have a new ending for this. We're gonna go. So we have this B flat chord. We got 8, 7, 6, 6. We're going up to 7 and 8. Okay, so we had started on the 11. We go real quick on the 11 to 10. So it's, we go all the way down to the 5th fret. So, and then we start on that thing again from the. But it only goes that far, and we hit another C, and we're into another verse. So we got. Second half. And then that C, F to B flat. Kind of had that 1 to 2 walk into the G. And then we're back in that riff. Okay, and we get up in there, we're gonna have, we're just gonna do that just once. 5, 7, 7. Here we go, 8 on the A, 8, 9, 10 on the D, and then we're gonna have a descending thing. So that's middle strings, D and G, 8s down to 2s. And then hit an A sus there, so we got open 2, 2, and 3 on the 2nd string there. Okay, then we're back to our intro. And then right away it goes da-da. Okay, we go through all that same stuff. We get back to the A riff. Now this time we hit that 6. We're going up chromatic. So. All the way to that G note on the 17th fret, and you got some vocals and stuff. And then we're going to end with the riff. So 6, 7 on the A to 5 on the G twice. Okay, and then it kind of fades back in and does a bass solo, and the bass solo is going to be having those same intro chords. And listen for that. Do-dee-dee, do-dee-dee. Do-dee-dee, do-dee-dee. Do-dee-dee, do-dee-dee. Do-dee-dee, do-dee-dee. Do-dee-dee, do-dee-dee. So one of those has like an extra beat. Watch out for that one too. So this is a great song, great album, drama. Does it really happen? I think Chris Squire was probably the one behind this mostly. Excellent riffs. Love this one. Talk to y'all soon.